Hi, I'm Jason Sisler. I'm the product manager for the Eternal water heater, and today we're going to perform a sound test on the Eternal water heater and two of its competitors to determine what their sound differences are when they are active and inactive. So let's go on ahead and go over to competitor A and perform the first test. Here we are in front of competitor A. We're going to take a reading while the unit is inactive. And we're getting a reading of low. Now let's see what happens when we turn the unit on. And we're seeing decibel reading of about 60 to 65. Now let's move on to competitor B. So here we are in front of competitor B, and we're going to take a reading while the unit is inactive. And we're seeing a decibel reading anywhere from low to about 40 decibels. Now let's take a reading when the unit is running. We are seeing a decibel reading of about 57, 58. Now that we've taken the decibel reading of both unit A and B, let's move on to the Eternal. So here we are in front of the Eternal. Now let's take a reading of the Eternal when it is inactive. And as you can see, we're getting a reading of low as well. Now let's take a reading of the Eternal when it is running. With the unit running, we are seeing a decibel reading of about 55. That concludes our sound test, and as you can see, the Eternal water heater is several decibels below the competing products. Now let's move on to a closet where the Eternal water heater is installed on a recirculation line, and let's take a sound test there. Here we are in a closet where the Eternal water heater is installed on a recirculation line. We're going to measure the sound of the mixing valve as it's operating in the closet. First, we're going to measure the sound of my voice, and just to let you know, there is some ambient sound in the closet. We do have a ticking clock in the corner, and we do have some dripping water behind me. But let's go on ahead and measure my voice, and as you'll notice, we're getting about 65 decibels as I'm speaking. Now we're going to measure the sound of the mixing valve as it's operating, and we're going to see a reading of about 40 to 45 decibels, which is about the sound of a normal appliance in your home, such as a refrigerator. That concludes our sound test today. If you have additional questions or would like to get additional information, please visit us at eternalwaterheater.com or call us at 1-866-946-1096. Get endless hot water, get Eternal.